Things are finally moving pretty well today after a little bit of a hiccup this morning getting started on my main goal of getting this trailer out the door and my 7x16 in so I can start prototyping these solar wing arrays for the government trailer. This hole saw is garbage. It's not how I envisioned this going. You know those times when you're working on something and the right thing to do is to stop, either go get the right tool or get set up properly, but you're just pushing and you're like, no, I can make it work, I can make it work. Yeah, this was one of those times. Melted my sticker. I gotta go get another hole saw. There's nothing like the feeling of new tools. Just realized I should probably try again from the other side. So much better. I was talking with one of my brothers and he said he's been having some success recently with just boiling it down to the 3 main things you want to accomplish in a day and putting that on a whiteboard in the middle of the room. So the 3 main things I wanted to get done today: finish up the lawn care trailer. There was a lot of wiring and stuff to do. I guess it's never too late to make it better. Triple check all your connections, make sure they're nice and snug, and now I can finally get this installed. Ready to head out. Oh man, that's stuck. I'd like to install the 30 amp outlet, but mounting this massive box on the outside of a trailer, I can't. Acceptable. Barely looks any different except it says 30 instead of 20. Kind of looks like an art sculpture. Definitely some wire management to play with, but the gist of everything is wired up. Reach out to a bunch of insurance agents and get some quotes because the scope of my business has changed a lot and I have a lot of risk here. So if I did something wrong and the thing catches on fire and it was my fault, can I ask then about the trailer that I am delivering to this county? And then finish up the video for day 4, which if you're watching this, it means I succeeded at that one. And this one is pretty much done. Just one last connection to make. I forgot to buy a 90-degree elbow for this, but that's not a problem. It's just tomorrow's problem. And that means I can finally get this out and bring the other one in. Insurance, I reached out to a couple, and believe it or not, one of the ones I talked to, he's now a subscriber of the channel. You can check out Solarpunk Steve on YouTube.
I'll go in and like and follow. I have a follower. Start pumping up the algorithms for you.
Yes. Well, I guess if nothing else, I got a new subscriber. Insurance is an area that I really don't have experience with. The terminology is weird.
You know, how many miles do you tunnel under the ground? Well, none. Just don't even answer those questions.
Okay.
They do not apply.
Okay. Luckily, if you just call people, a lot of times they'll tell you what you're after.
That's called product and completed operations.
Yep, okay, I've heard that. This is something I struggle with. I don't like talking to people, but you know, sometimes you just are forced into it and you realize that it's not that bad. I'll definitely be trying this method again. Right now, I'm gonna answer a couple questions though I've gotten recently on sort of the technical side of the battery and inverter system in the trailer. But first though, I'm gonna thank some sponsors, which is actually just you guys. Yep, you're it right now. They say cash flow kills businesses. Well, I just spent over $1,500 on more t-shirts because I believe in this business. Thankfully, so do these guys. Most people use drop shipping. Robert from Louisiana, Bennett from Florida, Benjamin from Tennessee, Jason from Minnesota, Mark from Illinois, Justin from Virginia. Actually though, this one is going all the way to Australia. He's sending it to his friend to ship it all the way down to him because I don't have international shipping right now. By the way, I wrote the note inside, upside down. Okay, let's do some questions. This question is about why I chose the 18K PV over the 12,000 XP inverter from EG4. Great question, and there's a lot of discussion in there about the different specs and things like that. The true reason is actually not anything to do with the specs of them. I actually had the 12,000 XP in my system design, but something happened right before I had to submit my bid. Basically, I had chosen to go with the highest safety rating that I could in a system design, and at the moment, that's the UL 9540 system level listing. So there are different UL listings. This one just happens to address a system as a whole. So the inverter and the batteries combined have to be tested together, and rapid shutdown has to be tested, a bunch of different little things. The 12,000 XP had this listing, but as far as I could tell, only with the indoor wall mount battery, which was fine, except they sold it out and discontinued it. So the next one available is the 18K PV with the outdoor all-weather wall mount battery, and specifically only the 280 amp hour. I'm guessing here that they're going to get those listings for the bigger batteries that they seem to be kind of shuffling in. But hey, it was kind of my only option if I wanted to keep the highest safety rating that I could for this build. Lots of you come from the DIY community, and I do too. This is where I live. I did this myself, but there are a lot of problems with handing over a system like this to a county or anyone professionally, really. I've got PV wire that's not in conduit. I've got cables hanging around, lots of different things that could go wrong inside this trailer. So I wanted to really shift and really push for the maximum amount of safety and professionalism that I can. But yeah, that's kind of the reason why the 18K PV. Another question was about ventilation in the trailer. Yes, basically the trailer will have active ventilation and passive. I have a plan for that, but I still have to get all the parts and kind of piece that together. Hopefully we won't have any issues there. Right now, that's all the time I got, so I'll have to answer some more later.